Hello, LTSPD, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today, I'm your Shiba Inu trading informant. Guys, I had a big long position with Shiba Inu. Now, is it the time to say goodbye, Shiba Inu? Is it the time for a short? I will tell you what's going on with Shiba Inu. What are the next targets to the upside, to the downside, support, resistance? What's going on with Shiba Inu? Guys, let's start this trading analysis. So let's start with CoinMarketCap. What's going on here? Shiba Inu is fighting with Dogecoin. These two are fighting really hard. For the day, Dogecoin place number 9 on CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu place number 10. Look at this, guys. It's a really hard fight. 38, 37. It's a really close fight with this. And guys, the market cap is really near to, they are really near together. Look at this here. So will Shiba Inu fight here against Dogecoin? Will Shiba Inu may moon against the Dogecoin? It's possible. But guys, let's check this. This is the coin market cap. And now we're going into this one. This is TradingView. This is the technical analysis. And now let's start. 1 hour time frame, guys. Look at this. We saw here a nice long signal because of a nice green ribbon band. After this, look at this breakout. If we will measure this breakout from the downside, maybe a point like this, to the upside, a point like this, Shiba Inu made 226% here in about 6 days, guys. What a nice gain for Shiba Inu. But now Shiba is going down a little bit. Let's check this one, guys. And for the moment, I can tell you I'm in a short. But we have to check, is this the moment to keep the short open, or should we buy in for the next move to the upside, guys? Let me show you one thing. We are buying for the moment this big triangle. It's a really nice pattern. You can see it like, let's make it like this one here. So a big triangle, and you can see this green ribbon band. For the moment, the ribbon band is holding as a support, but we are fighting for the moment in this green ribbon band. Guys, if this triangle will break out to the upside, it would be a really nice target, but it's not a perfect bullish triangle, guys. It's a bearish triangle. So let me show you the targets to the upside, the targets to the downside. It's really easy. We have to keep to make a line here from the downside to the upside, like this one here, and we can use this line for the target to the downside. Depends always where we will break to the downside, and we have also a nice target to the upside. Depends always where we can break. Where we will break out this triangle, or from this triangle. So the target to the upside, really nice, is about this point. This would be our big wish to the upside. The 0.00009 and 0.0001. This would be really amazing. But if we will go down more and more, we have a bad target to the downside, and this would be this target. So if we will measure it, guys, if we will put in here and make a long position, we can make maybe 43% to the upside, but the same picture to the downside, guys. Now it depends, in my opinion, where we will break this triangle. Can we break it to the upside or in the direction to the downside? And this one, guys, may help us also. We have here a nice Fibonacci. A Fibonacci from the downside to the upside to the highest point. And if we are zooming in a little bit now in the 1 hour time frame, we can see where is our next support, where's our next resistance. And guys, let me check. This line here is a big support line. It's the yellow line here. And you can see it's the 0.382 Fibonacci. Let me tell it, 6,500 about. This is the big support. And the big resistance to the upside. If we can break out from the triangle, we have to watch this, guys. This is 7,410. So this is now the big fight. And you can see it since hours. We are fighting here since maybe days. We are fighting here October 21, October 29, since 1 week. We are fighting between this support resistance here. So we're going sideways in this support and resistance, and these are the very important zones, in my opinion, guys. If we can see confirmed closing candles, and we need 4 hour confirmed closing candles, not 1 hour, 4 hour, better 1 day confirmed closing candles to the upside, we may moon from here with 43% plus to the upside to this big target, 9,900. So yes, we have a next thing to watch, and don't forget this point here, 8,800. This is also a big resistance to the upside. You know now the big resistances to the upside. If you go long here, guys, you know where you have to watch: 7,400, 8,800, 9,900. And also to the downside, if we will break down from here to the downside, if we will lose our support here, 6,500, the next thing to watch is this point, 5,700. The next point to watch is this one. And 5,000 is a really, really great support. First of all, it's a psychological support. And the next thing, here is coming the EMA 200, this yellow line. And this is also a big, big support if you're watching the 1 hour time frame. And if we will go down more and more and more, the big technical target is 3,300. This would be the play out of this triangle, guys. Let me check some other stuff, guys. Let me check the RSI. You can see the RSI on the downside, and we can make here a nice thing, and we can make, let me show you, this support line from the deepest point here up over this point here to the upside. And you can see this is, for the moment, if we're looking on the RSI on the downside, for the moment, our big support. We have now a little space to the downside. Maybe we are spiking down again to this point, 6,300. It's possible. And then the next move to the upside. But as long as this support is holding, everything is okay. Everything is okay with the long position. But if we will lose this support on the downside on the for the RSI, we may have some problems, guys. Let me show you this on the 4 hour time frame. We can use here the RSI also here. The deepest point was this point here. This was September the 7th to the upside. And you can see also here we have a good support line, and we have some space to the downside. Yes, it's possible to make another move to the downside. If we're watching the next thing, that's the MACD. Let me check this one here, MACD. Too much indicators, sorry guys, I have to remove some. Let me remove these patterns here. Let's check the MACD. So here we are. So on the downside, forget RSI, check the MACD. This is the 4 hour time frame, guys. We lost the MACD on this bullish, on this bull run, on this bullish phase. We lost it here on this point. It was the October the 28th. We lost it, and now we are with the blue line under the brown line. We are buying here the red candles on the downside. You can see it. This is really bearish, guys. This is really bearish. We need the blue line over the brown line for a pump. The blue line under the brown line is a dump. And for the moment, we are here dumping a little bit. Yes, we're going sideways, but we are dumping a little bit. This is the 4 hour time frame. Let me check the 1 hour. The 1 hour is here. Look at this, guys. Let's zoom up a little bit on the 1 hour. You can see it. The blue line is for the moment over the brown line, but it's possible to lose it really, really soon here. You can see this is maybe the last green candle, and then the next one would be a red one to the downside. This would be the cross, and this is also a bearish stuff, guys. For the moment, yes, the blue line is over the brown line. Everything is okay. But if these candles will go down more, if the price will go down more here, maybe to 6,500, this would be a bearish sign. And I think it would be the next bearish sign to the downside to this 6,500 support line. This is the Fibonacci line. Okay, we saw the MACD, we saw the RSI, we saw the 1 hour, we saw the daily. Let me check now one thing, guys. I can show you one stuff. This is the 1 day time frame. This is the big time frame for Shiba Inu. And before we end this video, guys, let me show you something. Let me check the indicators. Let me check the candlestick indicators. They identified. So what is telling us this one? And guys, look at this. Yesterday, I will remove here these drawings. It's better to see here, better to watch. Yesterday, we saw here on the daily a bearish harami. A bearish harami is a sign for a downgoing price. Maybe, guys, this will play out and we are going down more and more and more. Or maybe we saw this dump and now it's going up. So all in all, guys, this is a bearish sign. Bearish harami is a bearish sign. And we need now a breakout of our triangle. I showed you this triangle here. We need to break out to the upside. We need to break 7,400. It's very important. And we need to make higher highs and not lower lows. For the moment, we are making higher lows, but lower highs. And this is a thing we are buying a triangle. The next thing is really important now. What's going on for Shiba Inu? Can we break out of this triangle or not? I'm not so ultra bullish. We will see what's going on with Shiba Inu. And guys, I will make the next long position here if we can break out the triangle. I'm for the moment in a short position. I shorted on the upside, not perfectly, guys. I never can perfectly hit a target here on the upside, but it was a nice entry for me and now I'm in a short position. But if we will break this triangle to the upside, I will go out of my short position and I will long more Shiba Inu. I am not in Shiba Inu because of the technical and the other stuff. I'm trading Shiba Inu. I'm in Bitcoin because of the trading stuff, and I think Bitcoin can change the world. Shiba Inu maybe can change the world also, but for the moment it's more meme coin for me as a technical coin. But it's not the important stuff. We are trading this. We would like to make money with Shiba Inu, and I think it's really possible to make it because it's a really, really big boom for Shiba Inu. And I think we can see more move to the upside. And I think, guys, if you are hodling Shiba Inu, it's not the baddest thing to hodling longer time. I think it's possible to see more from Shiba Inu. Remember, Elon Musk, if he's twittering anything about Shiba Inu, it's mooning. But guys, remember also, someone asked Shiba Inu on Twitter, what's going on? How many Shiba Inu do you have? And he said nothing. So guys, we should remember that Shiba Inu is a coin. With one message, you can make a boom, and with one message, you can destroy it, or Elon Musk can destroy it. So guys, remember this. And if you're in this coin, keep alert. And guys, never go in all in. Always use money you can lose. You are not afraid to lose, and so you can make some fun and trade this coin Shiba Inu. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Your Speedy, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye, guys.
System activated.